Your MikroTik says the line's fine. Green check, gateway answering, no problem. But past that gateway, the internet itself might already be down, and check gateway would never know. Netwatch checks the real thing instead, and catches exactly what check gateway misses. Today we wire that up on top of the failover from my last video. Let's go. Quick plan, you've already got 2 WAN lines and 2 routes from the failover build. Today we add Netwatch on each one, pinging 1.1.1.1 out the primary, 8.8.8.8 out the backup. Real internet, not just the gateway. When a target goes quiet, Netwatch runs a script that flips the route. That's the whole idea. Here's the part almost everyone gets wrong. A plain ping to 1.1.1.1 goes out whatever your current default route is. Not necessarily the line you think you're testing. The fix is one dedicated route per target. 1.1.1.1, the primary's check, pins straight to the primary's gateway. 8.8.8.8, the backup's check, pins straight to the backup's gateway. That way each one always tests the line it's supposed to. Add a Netwatch entry for 1.1.1.1. Interval 2 seconds, so it checks that often. Timeout 1 second, so it waits just 1 second for a reply before counting that check as a miss. Both fully your call, tune them tighter or looser if you want. The down script disables your primary route the moment this target goes quiet. The up script re-enables it the moment it answers again. The same distance-based routes from before do the rest. Lower distance wins the second it's back. Do the exact same thing for 8.8.8.8 on the backup, so both lines get watched just as closely. Here's the proof. From the LAN PC, I start a nonstop ping to 8.8.8.8. I block only the Netwatch target, 1.1.1.1, not the gateway. The gateway itself is still perfectly reachable, so check gateway would never have noticed anything wrong. But the log shows Netwatch catching it within seconds. The primary route goes disabled, and the continuous ping keeps going, riding the backup. Bring the target back, and the log shows it re-enabling the primary on its own. Same failover as before, just watching the part that actually matters. That's Netwatch on MikroTik. Real internet checks, your own scripts, faster and smarter than check gateway alone. All the commands are in the description. If this was useful, subscribe. Thanks for watching.